transformational leadership. How to build leaders, not followers. So most of the times, leader, what the people are going to do, what the boss is going to do is, Array, can you please do this activity? And this is the way you require to do that and complete that activity. Let me check. Oh, it's good. Next activity. This is the way you require to do that. So, if you are doing in this style, okay, give the task, explain how to do that, next test the result, and then give the next task. This type of thing is called transactional leadership. What is the one? Transactional leadership. In this case, the person who is doing that activity, you won't learn anything. You won't learn anything because step by step clear instructions are there in the document. He is responsible to execute those things. Beyond that, no skill is required for that person. Next is the skill is not going to be improved. Suppose if you are working in maintenance projects, for years you are going to work, but what subject you are going to develop means nothing will be there. But if you work in the projects from the scratch, then there is a chance to learn something. Maintenance projects, what the things will be there, repeated activities only we require to do that. We are not going to learn any new thing at all. So the important point what you people should aware, okay, in transactional leadership, we are going to create followers, not leaders. But a transformational leadership, don't delegate task. Boss, this is the task you require to do. This is the way you require to do. After completing, let me know. This type of thing is called transactional. But transformational, boss, this is my expected result. Observe that. This is my expected result. Sir, how to do that? Immediately may ask, how to do that? That is not my job. I recruited for that purpose only. How you can do? You have complete freedom. In what way you are going to do? You can do that. But finally, okay, this is my expected result. Like delegate result, not a task. Not task. So what the advantage is? Whenever you are delegating result, now the opposite person is going to take ownership. He's going to take ownership kind of thing. He owns the things and he's going to think in what way we require to do. If we don't know, he's going to meet the people or he's going to dig the things and then he's going to do. Here, the person who is doing that activity, there is a maximum chance to learn. Remember that. This person can explore. This person will become leader over a period of time. But if I'm delegating the task, you require to do this task. These are the instructions. And then after completing, I will verify. This type of transactional leadership, we are going to create followers. But in transformational leadership, we are going to create leaders.